Cheers. Let's make lemon ice cream. This recipe calls for heavy whipping cream, whole milk, sugar, lemon pudding, and we're gonna try lemon juice from concentrate. 1 1/3 cup heavy whipping cream. Half a cup of whole milk. 1/3 cup of sugar. Lemon pudding, instant variety. And sometimes I forget to take whisks, so I'm transitioning over to the whisk attachment. So now I'm gonna take what I have here and stick it in the fridge while I get my Vevor ice cream machine going. And while not strictly necessary, I'm gonna go ahead and chill for 10 minutes. And I gotta tell you, I am a little nervous about adding lemon juice. I'm afraid I'm adding lemon from concentrate because it has water. We will see what we see. So I'm gonna add the lemon juice from concentrate and mix it for a short period of time. And you know, sometimes the cook gets to eat the delicious bits before everyone else. Yeah, I'd eat this. Okay, let's get all this goodness into my pot. I'm eating this later. Power, I'm gonna go to hard, and there we go. Random side note here, but I'd recommend that you clean up the edges of whatever container you use so that your lid doesn't freeze to it. I might be speaking from experience on this one. I'm gonna slap the lid on this deliciousness and send it to the freezer for several hours. I waited as long as I could. Now it's time to see how good it is. I'm impressed by how tasty this is. If you do give this a shot, please let me know if you like it as much as I do. Until next time. I might pay for that later.